thumbnail introduction.
Hello everyone, and today we're reviewing a Minecraft mod that was actually made by me. So what you're gonna see behind me is a add-on concept of the Village and Pillage update from 2019. Now, if you remember add-on concepts that adds new things to Minecraft before the update was out, I was wondering if what if the Village and Pillage update was released in this version of Minecraft. This version of Minecraft that I'm playing right now came out like back in 2017, so I'm literally going to review this add-on right now. But first let's go back to our perspective camera so we can review this. Okay, what you're saying here right now is a add-on concept of the Village and Pillage update, also known as 1.14.0, I think. So let's begin with the star attraction of the add-on is the pillager. Now this add-on was actually just using vanilla mobs with different textures. So yeah, because animations and custom mobs weren't added until version 1.12 or 11. So let's start with the pillager. Now, as you can see in the sign here, it says v- s- the stray was replaced with pillager. So I'm using a pillager like texture to make a to actually make the pillager. Also, you can see here, this fellow was originally a Minecraft skin, but I just edited edited it so I can like make it so it look like this. Also, the overlay texture for the stray kind of resembles a Minecraft player model, so I'm just gonna use that because it's a brilliant idea. So let's test it out with let's say a villager. And here, oh wait, don't know why, don't ask me why, but this always happens with hostile mobs. As we if we're going to if we're going to spawn the villager, this it would start attacking it or shooting. Also, another thing, when I was developing the villagers I have to change the arrows to snowballs because the stray keeps shooting arrows of slowness, so I don't like it because they don't shoot that in the regular game. So I'm just gonna put them of of you know in the shooting arrows. I know it's bad, but you'll get used to it. I kind of like it though. Also let me like all right, there we go. So let's move on to the second star attraction of the film. Also, get this zombie out. Get this ugly zombie out. Next is the Ravager. As I said earlier, with the Stray as a pillager, the Mushroom was replaced with the Ravager. So here it is. Let me get the spawn egg, just in case. And we got our test subject here again. And if we would spawn them, this would the Ravager will start to attack it. Don't ask me why. Don't ask me why this is the texture for it, but don't ask questions. So I'm gonna attack it before it kills the villagers before it kills another one. There we go. As you can see here, I actually had a brilliant idea of making a cow texture with the Ravager. I know it's bad, but yeah, you can just deal with it. Also, next is the crossbow, which is by far my favorite weapon in the game. Now we can actually just get it by just here, and there we go. This texture wasn't mine. It was actually from a resource pack called classic aspect. You could actually check it out on CurseForge or mcpe.dl. So it just replaces the bow texture with the crossbow one. So let me go. There we go. And yeah, that's actually it. Also, there's another thing where this now now one of the paintings in the game, I replaced it with the Pillage banner because banners weren't added in this version, so I decided to just replace one of the paintings that look like this to this. Don't ask me why, but it actually fits very well, especially with builds like this. Also, before I also, the last thing I'm going to showcasing you is the villagers. Basically, I replaced the professions with the 1.14 villagers with these. I actually made these. No joke. I actually made these. I'm not joking. Now we got the cleric, the blacksmith, I think, the rabbitsmith, the butcher, the farmer. I replaced. I didn't have like I didn't know how to make the hat, so I just made it the fisherman and the librarian. Gotta say, I love the texture so much that I made. I actually use a website called Planet Minecraft and Skin Editor on Google. So yeah, that's literally it. Let's start actually making like, let's say we spawn these guys and we spawn a bunch of strays or villagers and spawn a ravager. This fits actually well. This took me like, let's say, 2 hours to make because their behavior weren't working properly. So I'm just literally dealing with this now. Now, this wasn't actually the first one that I actually made. Before this was made, I actually used to make this, but I deleted because the link for this mod was permanently gone for no reason. I guess my link was literally broken or something. Also also get this. Wait. Wait. Now I will show you an example of what these guys actually would look like if they were spawned in the village. So if we go back to the main menu and go back and look at another map that I built at the tower that I actually built for these guys. And yeah, this is what it would look like if they were added in this specific version. I tried building the tower as accurate as the original, but there's so many details, and I also even added these because kind of look cool though. Also, they won't actually attack anything. Also, I added these guys as I build these and this, and also the tower. So this is what I'm actually imagine of pillagers being added to version 1.1.0 or 1.1.7 if you want to. So yeah. Hey, I hope hello everyone. So and that's it. Yep. Yes, that's my add-on showcase of the village and pillage the add-on concept for version 1.1.5 1.0. So I hope you liked it and also I'm actually going to release this right after the video is let's say one 100k, okay? Yeah, 100 views. I will release this video if this video hits 100 views or just, one like. So I hope you enjoy and thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like and subscribe and stuff. Okay. Bye bye. Subscribe.